Hi, welcome to At Home with Madeleine Lee. Delivery free, it rhymes. I'm going to kick off with this sunshine yellow flower dress. It's like you can't be sad in this, could you? You just couldn't be sad. And I just quickly made a little scarf for myself out of a bit of material I had. And so I look very yellow, and then I've got a white underskirt underneath it. And it's a really great twirling dress, and we've got a couple of different styles to show you. So I'm going to give you that back look, which we've got this great lovely ribbon here, so you can actually tie it to make it come in at the waist a little bit more. Quite plain at the back, very, very comfortable. It comes up quite big, but I'm going to give you a little twirl. I'm sure once I've done that at the back, it's going to be perfect. Look, I'm going to give you a yellow sunshine twirl. And here we have the other yellow sunshine dress. It's got clips all the way down the front, and it's got an Walla logo here, just on the top of the breast. It's very, very comfortable. Let's have a look at the back. It's got a tie, elasticated thing at the back here. And it's got lace around the waist. It's not really a twirly, it's not really a layer, but it's a lovely summer. Here we have a sunshine skirt. Again, a lovely stable piece that you'd just be able to wear with all sorts of colours, but I do like the freshness with the white flowers on the skirt. I'm wearing it with one of my older tops. And a white skirt from Walla in the bottom, and I'm going to give you a little twirl. I'm wearing the sunshine dress with the check linen now. Oh, do you know it's got really lovely buttons, and it's a really lovely fit as well. And then look at this back bit here, it comes down like really old-fashioned coat. I love that. I love little secret things where you don't think it's going to be like that, and it is. It's a nice fit, it feels really nice, and it's got the buttons here as well. Goes nice with the sunshine yellow. I love it. And this is the other check linen jacket. I don't know, both I love. I love the detail of the back one, and I also love the frill of this. And it's got the lovely buttons up here. And again, beautiful buttons here. I actually really love this. It's got some velvet here on the cuffs. And then at the back, I really like the way it forms at the back when you've got all the width of the skirt. It's really lovely. I'm going to give you a check linen sunshine twirl. This is a nice outfit. This is the Flower Voile, and it's so soft against the skin, and I'm wearing it with a blue tie, and it's got loads of brothers and sisters. Look, it's got its glove sisters, and it's got its bloomer brothers. Look at that. Gorgeous. So everything goes, and I'm going to give you a flower twirl. This is the more princess version. I love this one. It's got all the layers here. So the other one's more for every day, and this more is for the tea party. And I've got it with the bloomers and the blue underneath and the gloves, and I'm going to give you a twirl. Look at this. And now we have flower version 1, 2, 3, 3. We've got the skirt now with the big pockets, and that's got 2 layers. Very pretty, and it's got a lovely ribbing top. I've got it with one of their belts, and it's got the shirt to go with it as well. So I've got all accessories, all bloomers, all flower away, and a twirl coming. This is very country girl. I love their scarves this year, they're gorgeous. And we've got it with a really lovely blue shirt, which is so fresh. And again, I'm wearing it with the skirt, and I just wanted to show you the ribbing of the skirt. It's really lovely. Show you the back properly so you can see it. And now I'm going to show you, and now we've got the sundress version, and you've got the ties here. It's very cool, it's very simple, it's perfect for just walking around, feeding the chickens, going on the beach. And here we've got, you can really see them in all their glory. Look at that lace at the bottom there. They are so comfortable. They're elasticated at the top. They are gorgeous, and this has got little slits there. So it's kind of like a long shirt. You can wear it with jeans. And I've got one more piece to show you. And then this is the last top. Just a very easy casual top. I'm going to give you a twirl, a goodbye flower dress twirl. I'm a lavender girl now. I've got white, this comes in all the colours, it's gorgeous. It's got the lovely lace here, it's so fresh and crisp. And again, it's got the wiring, it's got one lot of wire, and then it's got the lovely dotted lace here. And I'm wearing it with the gorgeous blue tie. It's lovely actually. I'm wearing it with a lavender crown. And I'm going to give you a lavender twirl. Oh, the back, I have to show you. Look at that. Look, and again you can tighten it up with the back, with the straps. I'm going to give you a twirl now. And now we've got this pullover, which has got quite a loose knit. It's very nice. It's good, great for spring. And I'm wearing it with this skirt, the Organdie skirt. How lovely is that? It's got all these lovely details here. It's on a kind of like a handkerchief sort of thing, like that. Really cool. Look at that. And yeah, it's great. It'd be great as an underskirt as well, actually. And I've got it again with my tulle skirt and my hat, and without the gloves. This is it, twirling. So here we have the cotton skirt, which is really lovely and soft. It's a balloon type shape. It's got all these different, what do they call it? Like a parachute skirt, I think that's what it's called. And I could actually jump up, fly, and then come down on the parachute skirt. Look, with all these layers, I'd never land very hard, would I? I'm going to give you a 12. Right, I've come to fix your boiler, I have. I've got boiler suit on. Look, a play suit. I love it. It's got pockets, and it's got in all the colours. I reckon it'd be great in all the bright colours as well. And this is behind. And this is without the belt. Yeah, so cool. I love it. Going to give you a boiler suit 12. And here we have the check linen. We've done the jacket already, but I'm just showing it with the dress. And it's a very straight, plain dress, but it's quite effective. And I'll show you the back. And it's not a twirling dress, it's more of a saluting. Right, so these trousers are gorgeous. They go with this jacket, this check linen. This has got a particularly lovely cut to it back here. Really nice. And it's got pockets everywhere. But it's nice on the bottom. And then we have a lovely summery top. This is perfect for when it's really hot. And it's got a nice little embroidered flowers on either side. And again, this is not really twirly, but I'm going to give you a free twirl. I'm finishing off delivery free with this gorgeous black Organdie dress. They've got it in all colours. Oh, can you imagine the beautiful mauve in this? Wow. And it's got these lovely little ties here, and it's quite see-through, which is sexy. And it's a bit like a top and a skirt, but it's not. It's a whole dress. I've got it with the belt. And then look at all these layers. And I'm actually wearing it with a bit of white underneath. I'm wearing it with the net skirt from last season. And with small gloves and my trusty hat. Look, that's the front. I'm going to give you a Gone with the Wind. Let me have a look at the back. Let's have a look at that. What's that like at the back? Is it nice? It's gorgeous. It's plain here, but it's just got all this wonderful frill at the back, and I'm going to give you a 12. That's goodbye from me and delivery free from Eva Walla 2020 spring summer. Have a great summer, but stay tuned. So follow me on my Instagram at Home with Madeleine Lee, and I'll be regular blogging on madeleinelee.com.